All right, this week I'm down in the BBI and I decided to share with you some of the skincare I brought with me. So before dinner, we're going to do an LED mask, that new one named Aura from Maysama. I've got some Wonder eye patches and another device for pushing in moisture. First, let's use our new LED mask. This one fits my face so much better than all other masks I've tried before. This is the Maysama Aura, and it will run a 6-minute cycle. I can even walk the deck using this because it's battery powered and it doesn't have the battery bank attached to it. It's rather in one of these round attachment pieces that you charge separately, but I charged it up before coming, so it's ready to go. And then watch, I can move around with it on my face. Eye cuts on this give you more peripheral vision. Oh my gosh, you guys, I see a turtle. I've been hunting this turtle all day. Did we miss it? It went away. It was there. Maybe it'll come back. Button turns it on and off. So before we go any further, and if you care about skin quality, aesthetic insight, and understanding why certain treatments are chosen, make sure you're subscribed. If you have questions or want to share your experience, make sure to comment below. I always get back to you. And just so you know how this channel works, YouTube is where I share about products that I'm using. Any injectable procedures happen inside the Natural Chaos app. I also have a very deep blog on naturalchaos.com where you can go find sourcing and more information on all the products I use. And if you're new here, I microneedle here live every week. So you're in the right place if you're into that kind of stuff. Okay, next, after our LED mask, we're going to push some hydration from Medicube into our face. So I have their little tool that you can get on Amazon, plus their pink PDRN serum. So we'll put this on my face and use this to push it in deeper. Then it turns on really simple, just with one button, and it has different settings, and then you just push it in, and it's kind of a microcurrent device, so it does cause your muscles to twitch a bit as you push it in. And then after 3 minutes it turns off. Then we have the CEO Glow from Sunday Riley, and this is a vitamin C oil. One of the things that's great about an oil-based product like vitamin C is it goes bad much slower because the vitamin C suspended in oil helps it last longer. Last but not least, I brought the Wonder Baggage Claim Under Eye Patches. These ones are so pretty. Look at how pink and sparkly they are. Alright, so I'll just let these sit on my face for the next 20 minutes. Then after that, I'll take them off. Then we will polish up in the bathroom. The other sailboat hygiene I just did was I washed my hair on the back here with the fountain spigot faucet thing, and I used this new brand Array. They sent me the conditioner and shampoo, and my hair already feels super smooth, and it's just being blow dried naturally by these winds. Eu já sei remar contra a maré, mas não venha me pedir pra andar de ré, pois é. And in case you guys are curious about where I sleep and the bathroom situation, so here's my bedroom. And I'm just laying out my clothes so they can kind of dry because a lot of them got wet. And then I have these two cupboards. I have like camera gear down there, drying a sunblock there. And so yeah, this is like a tight space. And then I have my shoes over here, and then the bags that I brought down with me. But dress down here does feel very simple, so it's just like shorts and bathing suits really is all you need. And I did bring a couple dresses, which was nice to wear at Bitter End and on Cooper Island. Okay, so this is my bathroom. It's pretty tiny, but at least I have my carrying bag that holds like all my hygiene and makeup and little hair bands. So we're gonna finish up getting ready down here in the bathroom. First, I'm just gonna comb through my hair that was being wind blow dried by the Virgin Islands. It's so beautiful here. The water is just really incredible, but the wind obviously tangles our hair. After washing it on the back deck, I just let it air dry because there's no way I wanted to run a blow dryer here. That would be crazy. The weather actually has been really, really nice. I really am enjoying it. I wondered if it was going to be too hot or too muggy for me, but it hasn't been. It's actually been really, really nice. Okay, so let's peel off our under eye patches. Let's get on some sunscreen, even though it's going to be night soon. I'm just always applying sunscreen. The one that I've been using on this trip is the Isden Magic Glow. It has a really nice glow to it. And it's an SPF 50, which is definitely needed down here. I think I burnt my eyeballs wearing the wrong glasses. You know, I wore my big Gucci's, and you guys, I can like not see things on my phone anymore. So I think I probably burnt my eyes, which is really sad. I think they'll recover, but yeah. Be careful with the sunglasses down here especially. Okay, let's use this Pixi bronze stick. They sent it to me right before I came down here, and it just seems like the perfect thing for just bronzing up your face and being really simple. So I do those areas, and then I just take some of my finger and just popping it in my eye socket. And then we will just use our fingers to rub this bronzing cream in. You could even do it on your collarbone, décolleté area. Just be careful. I'm always like a little concerned when I'm wearing white things when I do this because I don't want it transferring, obviously. The other fun pencil that I have down here is this Charlotte Tilbury. It's a double color. It's like gold and kind of brownish on it. So I'm using the copper color just as like an eyeliner. And I have this brow fluff that I love from Benefit. And then I always just use my fingers to push it up. I did not bring mascara on this trip, but I did bring an eyelash curler. Okay, so next I'm just going to use this powder from Charlotte Tilbury with a brush just to set my face. I don't want a lot more on my skin. It's really, warm and humid, and so I just want to look clean but bronzed. Oh, also, let's give ourselves a little poppy cheek. So this is from Say. I think this color is called Poppy, but like I said, I burnt my eyeballs, so I can't really read it. So we'll just call it Poppy. It definitely seems like that could be, like you see, it's like a peach poppy color. Really cute. Again, just using my fingers to buff this in. My nose. And yes, if you're thinking, why did she powder before doing this? I forgot that it was there. But so I just went over it with went over the powder anyways. Okay, I know this lighting isn't like perfect. We'll go out on the deck and look at it in real life. But what else do we need? We need something for our lips. What do we have? Oh, actually, this is a really beautiful like glow up on your neck and chest. This is from Lawless. And watch, this is so pretty. And it smells yummy, yummy. Oh, let's do a headband. We'll do this pearl headband. And then I also have some diamond earrings. I'll put those on. You guys, these are so beautiful. Aren't those cute? We're going to this place on Anegada, which is supposed to be like the best place for Caribbean lobster, and they could come over these wood barrel fire drums, and we had to go in, put a reservation, tell them what we wanted because they only take so many people per night. So I'm excited. And then the guy showed me how he basically kills the lobsters and gets them ready for the grill. And he even let me hold one. Yeah, get done.
Kim, you just sent that lobster to his death.
Venha me pedir pra andar de ré, pois é.
The lobsters are just so huge and beautiful. And then I even found this massive conch shell right by the swing that we went on Anegada. So super excited about all the experiences I've been able to enjoy the last couple days. And I feel like we're ready for dinner. So it's super windy out here, but this is what that makeup and skincare finished like. It's so beautiful, you guys. Not just this makeup, but like what I'm looking at, it's gorgeous. And my hair's gonna be a mess, but look at how pretty the earrings are and my headband. I'm super happy about it. Okay, so we just got back from Lobster. We dinghied out there and then dinghied back to the boat. And now I'm just gonna cleanse my face and put on some hydration. Let's see, what do I have? First, let's take off my headband and we'll remove my earrings. Put it back in the bag. I think it's easier since I'm in a small space and the sink isn't very large, so I'm just using those Neutrogena face wipes. So Pixi sent these retinol little capsules, so I love skincare in capsules like this, specifically with antioxidant or retinoid type products, since they can go bad pretty fast. So just clip off that top and just squeeze out the product. And one capsule is great for your full face. So it makes it great for traveling too, because you don't have to keep them in the bottle. You can just take out as many as you need for how many nights you'll be gone. Oh, let's infuse our scalp with that Bare Anatomy hair growth roller. Just hit our areas that are receding really quickly. And I just want to keep it easy and just coat with a nice cream. So this is Summer Fridays Jet Lag. Just rub it on my arms. We are good to go to bed. Okay, I really do try to keep it that simple. I don't love hauling around a ton of skincare, and also when you're in tropical environments, it's nice to just keep it light and not have like a million layers going on. And so this feels really good. Good night.
Eu cresci no gueto, eu cresci com preto.
Good morning. Okay, we are going to shore to go mopeding. So I think I'm gonna drop my hair and just let it be free underneath the hat. Sunscreen. Got it. Okay, so this has been the sunscreen I've been using on this trip. It's worked out great, super easy. Again, I didn't want to be very fussy about anything. Rub it on your hands, and then I'll do more body sunscreen. I'm using that Vacation SPF 50 right now. I got this hat when we were at the baths with those big rocks. Anyways, I think it's super cute. So it works well with my white shirt too. This is my moped outfit.
Não é você que vai fazer eu me enganar.
All right, it's moped time. We're gonna ride mopeds around Anegada this morning.
Freaking out, and I thought he was freaking out because he was gonna crash.
So I've learned that I might need some more practice with the mopeds before I leave the moped station. I crashed. It's gonna be okay. This is so awkward.
Not the great looking face expression though.
She's intense.
Why am I doing this?
Just like that. You get your butter knife. Shoot them like oyster almost.
Oh,
Lordy.
Close. Alright, this is actually the spinal cord of the conga. It's actually kind of wrapped up inside of there, but as I was pulling them out, it kind of slipped out. But what its name is, it's called a pistol, similar to like a pistil of a flower. What it's known for is being aphrodisiac. The Bahamians like to call it the Bahamian Viagra. All right.
Oh, you need that.
you're gonna eat it?
It tastes like undercooked spaghetti. Yeah.
And that's about the normal size people bring in?
I would say that's on the smaller side, but sometimes they get a little bit bigger. Let's say like this one would be a lot bigger.
So with all these parts missing, it's completely dead now, or is it? Yeah.
I would say what's more
With all of its parts missing. Yes.
for both. That's what I like to say.
Okay, and this is what our conch became. Conch ceviche. Well done.
And it pairs with a Diet Coke.
And then this kind of happen.
Oh, fresh. Yeah. Ooh. Mm-hmm. That's what we're talking about.
I like the orange in it.
That's a little super.
It's a nice touch.
There's something,
It's so big.